Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Lasky channel, solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Now, what do we have for today? Simple, plain geometry question. Now, here we are asked to find x. The first thing to do, this is a parallel line. Where you see something like this arrow, that means this line is parallel to this. Parallel lines are lines that when drawn infinitely, they will never meet. If I continue to extend this line, no matter the length, and I continue to extend this on a straight line, the two of them will never meet. So the two lines are said to be parallel. Now, for us to find x, the next thing I will do, I will draw another parallel line, a line that is parallel to both this and this. So let's draw the parallel line that is parallel to those two. We'll draw this parallel line. We extend this to this point. Now, there's a reason why I'm extending it up to this point. I will tell you the reason. Now, this is like a C. So for me to find this x, I cannot find this x except I have found this particular place and I have found here. So we can call this, maybe let's say this is maybe B, and let's call this A. Now this is the C angle. Whenever you see C, either from the back or from the front, it's what we call the co-interior angle. So this angle here, 105, and this B are co-interior angles. The same thing with A and 1, 2, 3. They are co-interior angle. I haven't found these two. Let's find it, then we'll see what the next step to do. So this becomes A plus 1, 2, 3 degrees will give us 180 degrees. Co-interior angles sum up to 180 degrees. So to find my A, so my A plus, or A will be equals to 180 degrees minus 123 degrees. We subtract 1, 2, 3 from both sides. So this is 7, this is 5, 57. So our A is equals to 57 degrees. Now let's look for our B. So our B plus 105 degree is also 180 degrees. Why? Because B and angle 105 are co-interior angle. So our B will be equals to 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. So this is 75 degrees. So I haven't found B and A. Now to find x, we use the rule that says sum of angle on a straight line. Now you see that this one, A, B, and x all lie on a straight line. So we use the angle on a straight line to find this. So therefore, our A plus B plus x will be equals to 180 degrees. In geometry, if this is a theory question, always put your reason. Open bracket, sum of angle in on a straight line, sum up to 180 degrees. In this place, I'll open my bracket, I put co-interior angle. Now, so this becomes our A. We already know that our A is 57. So 57 plus 75 degrees plus our x is equals to 180 degrees. So let's add. This is 2. 1, that's 13. 132 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. So the next thing we do to find our x, we take this to this side. So that's, we are not actually taking, we are subtracting. Subtract 132 from both sides. So our x will be equals to 180 degrees minus 132 degrees. So this will give us, this is 8, and this is what, 48. So our x is 48 degrees. All right, let's look at this second question. You have a circle and a shape inside the circle that is almost looking like a triangle, a cut out triangle from this place. Now, what do we do? How do we resolve it? How do we find the missing angle? The first thing we do, we use a theorem that says that the angle at the circumference is half of the angle that is subtended at the center. What do we mean? Now, look at this. This is an arc. This is the center. We can call it O. The angle here is 2 times the angle at the circumference. That's just the rule. So if here is, let's say, like this place is 50, this point will be 100. You can say the angle at the center is twice that subtended at the circumference. Subtended at the center is twice that at the circumference. Or you say the angle at the center is half of the one at the circumference. Okay, so straight up, we'll say this is therefore our angle BOC. This angle at the center BOC is equals to twice angle BAC. Is 2 times angle BAC. So therefore our angle BOC will be equals to 2 times 50 degrees, which is equals to 100 degrees. So this particular point is 100 degrees. So now that's one part of the question solved, the result. Now, how do we get our y? If you remember clearly, I said that this looks like a triangle, like a cut out triangle. Now let's complete it by adding a line at this point. Draw it so that you have a triangle here, a complete triangle, and another triangle here. Now, since this is 100 degrees, this triangle that is now formed is an isosceles triangle. The base angle here will be what is equals to this place. So if you call here A, or let's call it X, X, and here X. So whatever here is, that's what here will be. So for us to find this place, you know, sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. That means this angle at this place in this triangle BOC, this angle here OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC will give us 180 degrees because this is a triangle. That means our x plus 100 degrees will give us 180 degrees. So x plus x, that's 2x. So this is 2x plus 100 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So 2x is equals to subtract 100 from both sides. So that will be 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So our 2x is equals to 180 minus 100, that's 80 degrees. Now we are not interested in 2x, we are interested in x. So divide both sides by 2. Our x will be equals to 40 degrees. Our x is equals to 40 degrees. Now, I haven't gotten that this place is 40, here is 40. Now, this is a bigger triangle. This ABC is a bigger triangle. So how do we get, we already have what here is. That means the angle at B. So this is angle A plus angle B plus angle C will give us 180 degrees because this is another triangle, triangle ABC. We already know that x is 40 degrees. So the angle at B here is, angle at A is 50 degrees. So let's put it 50 degrees plus angle at B is 30 plus x, that's 70 degrees. Our x is 40, that's 70 degrees plus angle at C. We already know that our x is 40. So 40 plus y is the angle at C. Will give us 180 degrees. We are done, pretty much done. 50 plus 70, that's 120. 120 plus 40, that's 160. So 160 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. So our y will be equals to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. Our y is equals to 20 degrees. And that's all. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you did, give us a like, give us a share. Tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you're here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.